Hey, so welcome back here at BMF Speed Shop. We're over here at Iola 2024. So we got all kinds of cool stuff going on. It's day 2, Friday, so we got cars rolling in. So we're out here with the Vet and Bloody Mary. We got we got a vendor spot, BA95, so stop down, check us out. Say hi, have a drink. Lots of junk and lots of nice stuff. Whatever you're fancy. Let's get some more of this rolling in action, see what's rolling in this morning. We got a Riata. Really cool cars. When I was a kid, they came out. My dad worked at the Buick Olds dealership, so I got to ride in them. They're pretty sweet. Here we got a new Edge. If you follow the channel, you know that I had one of those, but I recently just got rid of it. So here we go. We got a Coupe de Ville. I used to have one of these. Unfortunately, mine got T-boned. Couple Mustangs rolling in. Malibu, Supra. Yeah, cars are just piling in here today, so if you're watching, come on down. I like that Cutlass, that thing's pretty neat. I almost bought one of those once. So yeah, I just thought I'd give you guys a little sample of what's rolling in today. So I'll make another video later when we get things all settled in and stuff. So if you guys haven't been here, you gotta come down here and check this place out. Look at this Monty. Woo! Triple black. Oh yeah, thanks for watching. You know where you're at. Hit the subscribe button.